The TikTok Shop is an e-commerce feature on TikTok that allows users to buy products directly from the platform. By integrating shopping into the app, TikTok lets creators, brands, and merchants showcase and sell products in a more interactive and engaging way. It reminds me a lot of QVC or even the Home Shopping Network, mixed with a little bit of Amazon or even eBay. Now, according to eMarketer, since its launch in September 2023, over 11% of households have purchased items via TikTok Shop. It's important to note that TikTok Shop is only available to users who claim to be 18 years or older. However, underage kids frequently lie about their age on TikTok to get the full adult TikTok experience. Gen Z adults between 18 and 24 are 3 times more likely to make a purchase on TikTok Shop than your general adult population. We're entering an era where social shopping, which is the combining of e-commerce with social media, is growing in popularity. TikTok Shop sold 68% of social shopping gross merchandise value in February of 2024. In this video, I'll be covering how TikTok Shop works and what we as parents need to know. Let's jump into it. Through live streamed shopping events, videos, or storefronts on profiles, users can discover, learn about, and even purchase products without ever leaving the app. Now, for creators, the TikTok Shop provides an opportunity to monetize their content by recommending or partnering with brands, earning commissions through TikTok's affiliate program, and it also gives brands a chance to engage users directly, especially through features like live shopping where influencers and brands demo products and answer questions in real time. Now, let's take a moment to visit the TikTok Shop and see what the hype is all about. Okay, so to access the TikTok Shop, we're going to go into our TikTok app, and on the bottom, you'll see a shop tab. So you can go ahead and go in there and see what people are selling. Now, you can see, for example, this person in the treadmill, she is selling a treadmill and she's answering questions as they come in, demonstrating the product. You can leave a comment as well. And then at the bottom, you can see that's where you have the link to buy the treadmill. And it's advertised as having 36% off, free shipping, and then an extra 30%, probably if you use the code that this creator is sharing. Now, if you go back into the TikTok Shop, you can look up top and see that there is a search bar, so you can search if you're looking for something in particular. Okay. Now you can also check the status of your orders. You can check and see your recent orders or orders in the past. As you can see, I've placed one order in the past. Just as an experiment, I bought a Anchor power bank, and you can see I ordered it on November 1st and got it for $20. Now, a concern many users have is whether TikTok Shop is safe or not. Well, there are some pros and cons. Some of the pros include the convenience of shopping for items at a discounted price. Also, TikTok Shop supports secure payment methods. Both PayPal and Apple Pay are supported and are a few of the safest methods for payments online, because digital wallets offer many layers of security like encryption technology, passcodes, and biometric security. TikTok has a policy in place which states they don't tolerate counterfeit products, but they don't have a perfect system in place to verify products, so it's always important to make sure you're buying from an authorized seller. Now, TikTok can be addictive, and throw in shopping, which can be addictive in and of itself, and now you have a potential for forming shopping habits that may cause an excessive spending habit. There's not a way to completely restrict TikTok Shop. However, there is a way to limit the amount of posts on the For You page. You can do this by going into your settings and privacy, then content preferences, filter keywords, and then adding the TikTok Shop, and then check every box to filter from. It's important to note that this can be changed by your child unless you have family pairing set up. I hope you found this video helpful. My name is Melvin with Parent Pro Tech, and I'll see you in the next video.